Hello, my dear friends. Myself Ritika, and I welcome you all to EduTap. Guys, NABARD has released the exam dates for phase 2 of Grade A and Grade B recruitment. Now, this is the notice that has been released just few minutes ago, 22nd of October 21. The phase 2 dates for grade A and grade B are here in front of us. Let me just tell you, it is 16th of November for assistant manager post, that is grade A, and for manager post, that is grade B, 17th of November. So these are the two exam dates. Phase 1 of this exam took place on 17th of September and 18th of September. This is for grade B and grade A respectively, right? So September, and now phase 2 is gonna take place in the month of November. So guys, 2 months, the time of 60 days has been given to you for the preparation. This means only one thing: you need to prepare really well. Whenever you have a long number of days, this is long in comparison to previous year. We usually expect 25 to 30 days. Last year due to COVID, a lot of months were there, but now you have 60 days. I hope you are gonna use each and every day really well. You should be motivated. You should not waste even one day out of these days. So many days have already passed, right? So today is 22nd of October. You can decently plan your preparation and make utilize your time really well. Now, before we proceed, I would like to request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. I will share with you a very important announcement by Edita for phase 2 of NABARD Grade A. Right? So, guys, you'll get daily videos, daily content that is absolutely free on our channels, Telegram as well as YouTube. So, do not miss out on this opportunity. Okay, so guys, I have already announced that we are conducting Big Daddy mock test on 24th of October. We anticipated, we have shared with you that exam dates can be out soon. So 24th of October is the big date. Why? Big Daddy mock test is gonna take place on 11 a.m. that day. What will this test contain? Guys, this test will be an integrated test for your paper 1 as well as paper 2. That means we are going to provide you a test of English descriptive. You'll write your answers, you'll get the interface. Then guys, phase 2 where you will be solving objective questions. Plus you'll have to solve the descriptive questions of ESI and ARD. So this is for grade A. Okay, do not miss out. This test is going to be absolutely free. Now, how you can enroll in this test? It is very simple. We have launched a batch called NABARD Grade A 2021 Vijay batch for phase 2. Join this batch. The link to join this batch, this course, is in the description of this video. You simply have to go there, enroll yourself in this batch where you will get this Big Daddy mock test on coming Sunday. We have also planned to conduct one more test that will completely depend on the number of students, those who take this test. Okay. One more thing, not only this test, we are also providing you free study material under this Vijay batch that will be really helpful to you for your examination of phase 2. Do not miss out on this opportunity. I am telling you, this is really gonna help you. Okay. So wishing you all the very best. Do not forget to take this test. Link is in the description. Enroll yourself now. Put a reminder. Do not forget that test. Right. So that's it, my dear friends. For any queries, you can feel free and drop us a mail at hello@edutab.co.in. Edutab would be happy to resolve all your concerns and queries. Wishing you all the very best for phase 2. Let me remind you again, you have to make a schedule. You have to make a plan that what all you are going to prepare. You cannot just open the books. You cannot just start writing the answers. You have to make a schedule that involves your paper 1 as well as paper 2. Let me remind you at this point of time, out of 200 marks of phase 2, which are gonna count in your final selection, 150 marks are gonna be dedicated to descriptive writing. That is also on a keyboard. Okay, take the keyboard, start writing your answers after making a daily schedule. That does not mean you'll miss out on objective tests. That also you have to do. So take the mock test that is being shared with you. And if you have already cleared phase 1, then you are already there in a special batch by EduTap. I hope you are making use of that batch also. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.